the best way to write SaaS product comparison articles. So what you can do is you need to know the competitors, right? First thing first, you need to know the competitors for your SaaS, and then you need to find good keywords, and you need to write everyday blog articles. Is optimized for SEO. So instead of focusing on this, what you can do is you can simply use one single tool. So I'll show you the trick. So go to the URL, go into this is a tool which I'm using. Go into customization, click on knowledge base, click on new knowledge base, and click on create new knowledge base. Once you click on knowledge base, click on add assets, and here click on website, and here you add your competitor website. It will pull all the feed keywords, or you can also go into the blog automation, click on feed and click on create feed and set up a keyword, and here it will ask you competitors, and if you enter your competitor site, it will find the relevant keywords which are your competitor using, and then go into the integrations, create your integrations, whatever CMS you are using, and go into campaigns, click on new campaign, start running your campaign. So all these things is done in a one tool.